In a previous video, I have explained a showcase that Pistel has served when the opponent was not ready. He served when Fan Chendong is not ready. Some players don't agree with me. I understand your opinion, but I have seen another case that Pistel has behaved unprofessionally, unsportsmanlike. It is not the first time he's behaved like this. In the World Table Tennis Championship 2017, Lubomir Pistel has made a very dirty trick against Harimoto Tomokazu. At that time, 2017, Tomokazu Harimoto played very well, but he is still very young. He has born in 2003, so in 2017 he is still only 14 years old. He doesn't have many experience versus a tricky players like Lubomir Pistel. Tomokazu Harimoto is leading 8-4 at the final set, and then Pistel served when Tomokazu was not ready. He used an amateur serve in the official match. He didn't throw the ball and Tomokazu was not ready. Tomokazu is surprised. He looked at the umpire. Then suddenly, Pistel served again. This is a very dirty trick. He did this trick even at the international event. Umpires asked Pistel to stop doing this, and he said, "Yeah." And the crowd is very angry and yells.
This is now.
Tomokazu is really confused with this dirty trick. The Japanese head coach has made a timeout for this young player. This is a very good timeout. However, from leading 8-4, Tomokazu Harimoto ends up losing the set 9-11.